Today, let's have a tag video, and I have to specially thank Tendance Clémence who created this tag. I advise you to go and see her channel, and I know, guys, Tendance Clémence is a French YouTuber, and maybe you are not a French speaker, but you know it's video, so I'm pretty sure you can still enjoy her content because I do really love her content. So please have a look at the channel and subscribe and watch the tag video, which is entitled Bag That Marks My Passion. And in this video, she explained all the bags that, yes, have an influence on her way of collecting. It's really interesting, and as I am myself a bag collector, this video was just great because she shared her passion and she explained everything, and we can see the evolution of her way of collecting, so very interesting. And you will have some pics of great bags. She asked also in her video if someone wants to participate. She opened it to the entire YouTube world, and I was so impressed by her video. Of course, I decided to participate, so thanks a lot, Clémence. My video will be slightly different because there's already a bunch of videos on my channel, and by the way, I will link them in the description box. I have already shared a bunch of stories concerning the bags that impressed me, and I got special feelings about them. So today, my tag participation will be to explain you the origin of my love for the bags, and especially to the Longchamp brand. And yes, I will explain all this, and I will also share with you the story behind my YouTube channel. So let's go. Just a quick presentation for the very first one who just jumped into this video. Hi guys, I'm Bag Passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover and Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, so if you love bags, I do think you're at the right place, and do not forget to subscribe if you like my content. For returning viewer and subby, thanks a lot for your love and support to my channel. Love you guys. So yes, let's go back to the origin and how everything began. And in fact, for me, it is quite simple. I love bags since I am a kid. No joke, guys. And when I'm telling you, since I am a kid, my mother told me that when I was 4-5 years old, I already talked about bags. No, seriously, it's no joke. Since the very beginning, bags attract me, and she had a leather bag and a leather wallet, and I keep having them in my hands. I was not playing, you know, because sometimes kids took your items and they play and they write with pen on it. No. I was holding my mother items in my hands, and I look at them as treasures, and I do remember that. And I remember especially the wallet. And she also told me that when I was a little bit older, yes, 6 years old, 7 years old, when we went grocery shopping in the street, I look at people, and when we went back home, I always explained to my mother, we meet the very first person, she got this bag, and she was dressed like this, and so on. And I told every people we meet. And my mother was, wow, she kept on looking bags on people and so on, but she's a young girl. And yes, I really have this passion, this attract to the bag since I am a kid. And even today, I could not help looking at people very nicely, don't worry, but I love to, yes, it's direct. I look at people and what they are wearing and the bags they are having, because Yes, for me, bags are so important. I cannot go out without a bag, just to tell you. And the origin of my love for Longchamp, my very first souvenir when I met a Longchamp bag, it was at the primary school. So for those who do not know, primary school in France starts when you are 5, 6 years old, and you leave a primary school around 10, 11, depending on where you are born on the year. And it was at the very beginning of the primary school, we had a picnic. And I do remember, for those you guys who do not know, I'm 42 years old. So I'm talking about the 80s, you know. And at that time, it was crazy. It was a rainbow period. Everything for the kid and even for the adult. We have a bunch of color, we have logo. It was a fluo, neon colors. It was great. It was just great. And I got a backpack, yes, with a bunch of color, with logos and so on. And I have the souvenir, seriously. We went in the area we will start eating, and a friend of mine, I didn't notice, but when she took a backpack to keep the food out to eat, I look at the backpack and I was like, oh, this is so cute. I will insert a pic of the backpack, and of course it's a Longchamp backpack, so the one that were in the 80s, you know, with the lace that you make this to close the bag. And I was amazed because in all the colors, because other friends got nearly the same backpack as I had, my little friend, she got a brown backpack. It was all brown, you know, with the Russian leather, which is brown. The bag was one colorway brown. And I look at it and I found it so cute. One color combination. And I don't know, I love the way the backpack, you know, because mine got a zip and my friend also, but you know, this lace and this snap button, and I was already in love. And the second souvenir that I have is that when I went to the doctor, we're in the, you know, the waiting room, there's a bunch of magazines and so on. And my doctor, when I was a kid, they place a bunch of women magazine, and in my family we have books, but we never bought magazine. It's something like, yes, like that, I have to admit, but at that time we don't have magazine. And it was a pleasure for me to see the advertisement in the magazine, the ad, and I was crazy about Hermès, Longchamp and Lancel. It is in the magazine that I discovered the bag and the collection. And you cannot imagine, of course, when I saw ad campaign for Pliage bag, I love them. And later, when I first saw a Longchamp boutique, I was a bit older, I fell in love with the Pliage, the small one with a top handle. I was in love because, yes, one color combination, and I find it so elegant. I fell in love, like I fell in love with the backpack of my little friend. And surprisingly, if you have seen my channel, the very first pliage I got is this one, and it was the boyfriend, which is now my husband, who gifted it to me. I love it. You cannot imagine how much I love this bag. And this one, I've got an older one, but I just show you this one. It's later. And yes, I've got several other bags. And I have another souvenir, is that my mother saw so much that I love bags. She managed, because we have money, but we have money for really important things, for food, for the house, for the clothes. And you know, bags, it's not, let's be serious one moment, it's not something very important in your life, in fact. But my mother, she understands very fastly that I was crazy about bags. She tried and managed to offered me some bags, and at school I rotate bag. One day I've got a bag, one day another one, and I just insert a pic there. I remember I've got a United color of Benetton, or Benetton. In France we only called this brand Benetton. It's not the one like this, but just to make you understand, it was a bag like this, you know, and mine got a zip there, and I went to the school with it, and also to the college. College, it's the, for you, it's the high school, I do presume, yes. If I made a mistake, I will correct. And yes, since my mother bought me several little bags, I rotate. And it was just great because I can assume my bag passion. I've got no brand bag. Okay, this Benetton one is a branded one, and that's why I do remember, because I was so happy to have it, and it got a bunch of color. It was really great. And concerning the leather, I have to tell you one thing. So I was crazy about Longchamp Pliage, but for the leather at that time, at the very beginning, I was more interested in the Lancel brand, which is another biggest French brand, and I was really in love with the leather. I do think, but it's my own point of view, at that time Lancel work was really high quality. I'm not saying that today is less quality, but it's different. It's different. There are less detail in the work of the leather. And for example, one bag that I was so proud to buy from Lancel, it was this one, the Elsa Twinny. Okay, I found the pic in red, but mine was black. And I love it. The only problem is that this bag was so heavy. I finally gifted someone with it. But just to show you, I have done a review about my Lancel bag because I've got several of them, but look at those two. I can tell you guys that the leather used for this bag and the quality of the stitching and so on is beyond the sky. It's really great, and this one are not so heavy, that's why I keep them in my collection. But yes, at that time it was Lancel for the leather part. And since the bag went heavy and heavier with the years, I finally have a look at the Longchamp side, and I discover the Roseau line, and I discover the Foulonné. And I fell in love with Foulonné leather. You know, guys, have a look at my channel, you will see it's my all-time favorite leather. And this is how the story began. So just to conclude, I am crazy about bags since I am a kid. It took me time to have bags, branded bag, because yes, I bought this one when I got a job. I have done a review about it, so if you want the story, I will not repeat. But okay, today I am thankful and really grateful to have my collection. It's a real pleasure. What I can tell you now is that Pliage, I'm crazy about it. And even if I have a bunch of Pliage today in my collection, I always feel and have the same happiness in my heart when I'm buying one. I am emotional saying that, but yes, since the very beginning, Longchamp is my number one. And I don't know, I love the way it is simple, but so practical, and they always have great colors. So I still enjoy when I buy a Longchamp bags. And yes, guys, and concerning the luxury world, if one day I buy a luxury bag, I am pretty sure it will be an Hermes bag, because, okay, no, you know, I've got a bunch of scarves and sweetie and so on. I have also done review about this. And in the boutique, I tried some Hermes bag. I can tell they are great. They are really great. So yes, if one day I have to buy a luxury bag, it will be for sure an Hermes bag, because yes, since I am a kid, I look in the magazine and wow, the adverts were so cool and so chic. And yes, I've got nice memories about it. Concerning my channel, the origin of my channel, my husband, who know me, and I'm always talking about bags with my husband, is really patient. And in fact, everything began with a joke. One day he told me, hey, why not, did you go on YouTube and make a channel? I'm pretty sure there's other crazy people who love bags like you love bags, and I love. And I said, me on YouTube? Oh, are you serious? But in fact, the idea grew in my mind, I apologize, and yes, why not? So I had a little, I follow a little bit of tutos and formation, apprenticeship, because when you are doing a video, you also have to work on it on your computer and so on. So my husband helped me a lot. I'm very thankful to my husband. And I created this YouTube channel, and I can tell you guys that I am so happy, because I did not meet in reality you guys, but there's a lot of people I am communicating with. And oh my God, guys, it's a pleasure to have you. It's a pleasure to share my passion with you guys, because you are also bags lover, Longchamp addict. And I think my husband, it was a joke, but finally it was a great idea. And I am so thankful, and I'm thankful to have you guys. You're just the best, seriously. And yes, how can I end this video to tell you all the origin? But yes, I think you know everything. If you have any question, ask and I will answer. And oh, by the way, I just learned that comments are great for YouTube channel growth. So please support me by a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for your support. And that's all for today, guys. So thanks again to Clémence from Tendance Clémence. I repeat, have a look at her channel and subscribe. Even if it is in French, you can activate the subtitles, so do not hesitate. She has really great reviews. So thanks a lot, Clémence. We keep in touch, because you know here we talk bags. So stay tuned, take care, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye, guys.